thermostat lets you control your heating and AC remotely, so you never have to waste energy again. Ready to set yours up? Let's go. To start, locate your circuit breaker box and switch the power to the off position for the duration of the installation. Remember to always follow appropriate safe electrical isolation procedures. If your existing thermostat is battery-powered, it may remain on once the power is turned off. Remove your existing thermostat from the backplate. Your Hive active thermostat needs a permanent connection to the C or common terminal. If there is no wire connected to the C terminal on your existing thermostat, you should request a professional install. Take a picture of the wires for reference and label them. Carefully remove each of the wires from the old thermostat backplate and then remove the backplate from the wall. Screw on the Hive active thermostat backplate using the screws and wall anchors provided. Use the decoration plate provided if there are holes and marks that will not be covered by your new backplate. Next, insert the colored wires into the corresponding terminals on the Hive thermostat backplate. You can do this by pushing down the release tabs and holding them open while inserting the wires. Review the wiring configuration with your photo for accuracy. Now you can attach the Hive active thermostat body to the backplate. Use the level on the backplate to help get your thermostat straight on the wall. Check that your Hive hub is flashing amber. This means it's ready to connect. Now turn the power back on to your heating and cooling system. Go to the Install Devices section of your app or online dashboard to pair the hub and thermostat. The thermostat display will show Search, and a timer will appear while it tries to connect to the hub. Once your device is paired, you'll get a welcome message on the thermostat. If it takes longer than 10 minutes to pair your device, contact Hive technical support to troubleshoot. Once paired, your thermostat will take you through a guided setup the first time you connect. You'll be asked to tell us a bit more about your system. Turn the dial in the middle of the thermostat to toggle between questions. Tap the green check button on the bottom right of the screen to confirm your selection, or the red back arrow on the bottom left to go back. Continue until your thermostat displays the temperature screen. You can set up your heating and cooling schedules on the thermostat, or switch to the app or website to do this. Now relax, knowing that you can get the temperature just right from wherever you are.
This thermostat will make you love your thermostat. It's in millions of homes around the world. It's helped save billions of kilowatt hours of energy so far. And that's just the beginning. Meet the third-generation Nest Learning Thermostat. It has a bigger, sharper screen, controls your hot water tank, and it's even better at learning what you like. Just turn it up or down. It will catch on after a few days and create a personalized schedule for you. That's how the Nest Thermostat saves energy. It's easy to learn how to save more every day. Just follow the leaf. It turns off the heating when you leave and the hot water when you're on holiday. And you can control it from anywhere. You can see how much energy you use every day and how to use less. Energy companies around the world are partnering with Nest, so even more homes can save even more energy. The Nest Learning Thermostat programs itself, saves energy.
Nature always seeks simplicity. So why do we make things so complicated? If you ever feel the urge to simplify things, start with this. Your thermostat. It's responsible for 79% of your home's energy consumption. What if heating was simple? What if saving energy was simple? Meet the Tado Smart Thermostat. It's compatible with your heating system and lets you control various rooms in your home individually from anywhere. But Tado is much more than a remote control. It has a variety of skills that simplify your life. It saves energy and makes your home more comfortable. It ensures your home's temperature is just right when you need it. Thanks to geofencing, it notifies you to turn down your heating when no one is at home. It notices open windows and lets you turn off the heat effortlessly. It integrates weather information to save you even more and helps you to keep a healthy climate at home with insights and specific advice. It lets you control your heating with your voice. It shows you temperature and humidity profiles, the heating activity and your savings. However, its most important skill is to keep it simple. The Tado Smart Thermostat.
7 in the morning, Tado sets the AC unit to the right temperature. This is Lizzie and Harold. Harold is known for reading a little too much and forgetting things a little too often. Lizzie, on the other hand, likes things at 90-degree angles and taking care of Harold. Thanks to Tado, Harold doesn't have to remember to turn off the AC when he leaves. Tado does it for him. While he is out at the market, the AC is off so they aren't wasting any energy. After a long, hot day, Harold is thrilled to get home to his pre-cooled apartment. Wouldn't you be?